Welcome back to MAK Car Reviews, the channel where we bring classic cars, hidden gems, and timeless designs right to your screen. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our automotive adventures. Today, we're diving into a car that's equal parts style, simplicity, and soul, the 1970 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Now, this isn't your average classic car. It's not built for speed, it's not filled with luxury tech, but it is a piece of rolling art, and it's got one of the most interesting stories in automotive history. So picture this. It's the late 1950s and Volkswagen is known mainly for the Beetle, reliable, affordable, but not exactly a head-turner. So VW teams up with Italian design house Ghia and German coach builder Karmann to create something with a bit more flair. The result? The Karmann Ghia. By 1970, this sleek little coupe had become a true icon. From the outside, the 1970 Karmann Ghia is all curves and character. Unlike many cars of the era with sharp lines and boxy shapes, this one is smooth, flowing, and perfectly proportioned. No two panels are the same. That's because much of the bodywork was done by hand. The front end, with its low nose and rounded headlights, gives it a sporty yet elegant look. And the rear? It's subtle but stylish, with a clean design that stands the test of time. Under the hood, or rather, in the back, is a 1.6-liter air-cooled flat-4 engine. It's the same basic setup as the Beetle, pumping out around 57 horsepower. Now, that might not sound like much, and honestly, it isn't. But the Karmann Ghia was never about going fast. It was about enjoying the drive, cruising with the windows down, and turning heads wherever you go. And trust me, it does turn heads. Inside, it's classic VW simplicity. The dashboard is minimal, with just the essentials. You've got a speedometer, a fuel gauge, and a few toggle switches. No touch screens, no fancy lighting, just pure driving. The seats are low and comfy, and the driving position feels more sports car than economy car. Even the steering wheel has that vintage charm, thin and simple, but perfectly suited to the vibe of the car. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. The 1970 model feels light on its feet. Steering is responsive. The gear shift has a nice mechanical feel, and while it's not quick off the line, it has plenty of character. You can hear the engine working behind you. That signature VW air-cooled hum, and it just adds to the experience. One thing to note is that the Karmann Ghia isn't just a pretty face. It was built to last. The chassis is solid, and parts are surprisingly easy to find today, thanks to its VW roots. That makes it a great option for classic car lovers who want something unique, but not too difficult to maintain. Of course, no classic car is perfect. Rust can be an issue, especially on the lower body panels and around the wheel arches. And if you're over 6 feet tall, you might find the cabin a bit cramped. But for most people, it's a beautiful, rewarding car that brings joy every time you take it out. So, is the 1970 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia a performance machine? No. But is it a design icon with real personality and charm? Absolutely. It's one of those cars that just makes you feel good, whether you're behind the wheel or just admiring it in a parking lot. Thanks for watching this episode of MAK Car Reviews. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, share it with a fellow car lover, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever driven or owned a Karmann Ghia? I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the classics alive. See you in the next one.